Hey everybody, I just wanted to do a quick public service announcement and share that the folks at Epic have put together a really fantastic workshop on the rigging features in Unreal Engine. So this is structured as a set of multiple videos intended to be watched over a few different days, but they're all published. So you could actually do all of these in a single sitting if you really wanted to. The important thing about this workshop is that it is going to be taken down after January 16th. So this is a limited time only workshop. It's the kind of training that really typically only organizations that are paying for training contracts with Epic get this type of education, but these are currently available completely for free and they're on the dev community. So I'll have a direct link to this in the description of this video, but you can also just go to the learning page and currently it's pretty close to the top. The other thing to know about this is that on Friday, January 9th, the instructors are going to host a 2-hour-long open Q&A office hours. So again, that's going to be on January 9th, 11:30 a.m. Eastern Time in the US. And so I just highly recommend anyone who is interested in rigging or even just thinking about potentially working with the rigging system, highly recommend this. I'm at the point where, having worked with Maya for like 20 years, I really prefer Unreal Engine's rigging features, and this is a fantastic opportunity to learn these tools in depth directly from the folks at Epic. So I hope this helps. Until next time, have fun.